what's up, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, say it's a boy, Fayskull, and welcome to another week of the top 10 trending dancehall songs in Jamaica on Apple Music. You know what I mean? So, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please ensure you click the subscription button right below the video, and also turn on post notifications so you can get notified when we drop another video. You know what I mean? So we get right into the video. So we go over to Apple Music right now. So we're gonna start from number 10 spot to the number 1 spot. You know what I mean? At number 10 spot we have Mercs with Rich MF featuring Felony 9. Let's take a listen.
See me flip boy, you damn rude. 250 me damn shoes. Rich motherfucker from me lift that gun. 100 million.
What song? One shot. So that was Marks with Rich MF. Is me as a featuring Felony 9. That song has been trending for quite some time, you know, people. So this is one I sang them. We are much below Kingston right now. Not only Kingston, but the whole Jamaica. You see me as I can be hear the song all over, you know what I mean? Been a trend. So in number 9 spot now we have Skipper, you know what I mean, with Dead Apps. Let's take a listen. But song? That song like basically is a war song, you know what I mean? As you may know, we have Skipper and Money Than a War. You know what I mean? You know who are in the war, coming and really pay attention to the war. You see me? But nevertheless, you see me I say, so at the number 8 spot now we have Mercs again with Retard. Let's go.
Me drop me first Benz long before COVID. You say me cap, that mean you don't know me. Me make it whip dance, be my ton of retard. Bogo rock with the
yeah man, we make the whip dance, be my ton of retard, but alright, so moving on to the number 7 spot, we have Shani Muir with CJ the Chemist, Gypsy. Let's take a listen. Bad song, different lyrics, different. You know, she are talking a Gypsy in that song there. You know what I mean? If you like that song, drop it in the comment section. So moving on now to number 6 spot, we have Squash and Massacre 16. Let's take a listen.
Figure the tool rock, make it a freeze, me reach them, I double Cuba. Stop at the bar, shell it up, fuck up a 2 grand. Reach a Jamaica, fly out, me there at Cuba. Yo, din we are.
What song?
Greatest thing, key city one than me, I'm up here.
Alright, so that was Squash and Massacre with 16. You know what I mean? But some people have been, as I said in the previous video, people have been waiting on this collab. You know what I mean? So it is a great look to see the Jamaican artists them a collab and a create history. As me I say, next up I want to see Alkaline collab with a artist. You know what I mean? That would be question for the people them. If Alkaline was to collab with an artist, who would you want him to collab with? Leave that in the comment section. Alright, so moving on to number 5 spot, we have Jada Kingdom and Shani Muir, Tears. Let's take a listen.
I was really chilling, being a good girl. I that bun me put all me eggs in a one basket.
Alright, so you don't know, so we can't play the whole song, but it sounds like a very good song, you know what I mean? Obviously, it is a good song because it's a number 5 spot and it has been trending, you know what I mean? So big up Jada Kingdom and Shani Muir. Shani Muir they put on 2 songs in the list, you know what I mean? But anyways, moving on to the number 4 spot, is me so we have Skipper with Glocks and Chips. Let's take a listen.
My dog a full night time, high G. The boy a pram push, him flow waste man. And if you change the song, the bird that boy constant. See top, no stop, look, come a chase.
Yeah, bad song. I know we can't play the song them too long. But anyways, that was Skipper, Glocks and Chips. You know what I mean? That's another this song, I believe. You know what I mean? Moving along to number 3rd spot. You have Skipper again with Detox. Let's take a listen. Dog saying hungry fuck. Money have to make. Food have to yam. You see me I say? So big up to Skipper again. Skipper have about 3 songs on the list so far. You know what I mean? And he's at the number 3rd spot with Detox. So big up the artist them. Anyways, moving along to the number 2nd spot. We have Malidan with Van Cleef Part 2. Let's take a listen.
She brace up on me, bumbo climatic. She fuck before she cook, she want a bit. Me no do control, I like Shana King. She love Konash.
Yeah man, bad song again. You see me I say? So that was Malidan with Van Cleef Part 2nd. You see me I say? So big up Malidan. At the number 1 spot now, moving along, we have Malidan again with Van Cleef Part 1. Let's go. Bad song. One shot for that. Alright, so that was Malidan with Van Cleef. You know what I mean? So that was the final song, the number 1 song on the list. And you see me, as I can see, this was the top 10 or top 25 songs that are trending in Jamaica, in Kingston. You know what I mean? So if you have a favorite song on this list, make sure you leave it in the comment section. You know, in the Z preview, I say people, make sure you drop a like on the video, share with your friends, you know what I mean? Make sure you follow social media, links them in the description. You know what I mean? You can find me on TikTok, you know what I mean? Instagram, Kick, Twitch, Z-Pre, everything down in the description. Until next time, people, Fayskull out. Boom! Hey yo, listen to this.
I'm alone and look at me. There's nobody around me. Nobody likes me, man. It is what it is. Sometimes in life, people are not gonna be around you to motivate you. They're not gonna be around you to push you, to celebrate you, to applaud you. You gotta do it on your own. That's what I'm doing right now.
Loneliness is a kind of tax we have to pay to atone for a certain complexity of mind.
You had nobody anyway, motherfucker. Look around you. There was no fucking team. It was you. There was no weight loss program or mom and dad waking you up saying you can do it, you can be better, trying to build belief. You built belief when you had nothing. Rock